So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this wall unit. This is an evaporator, air conditioner and heater. And one of the things that is important is to make sure that these are working efficiently, and there could be a buildup of dirt. So here's the filter. Not too much was built up on the filter. We clean these on a regular basis, but it's not a very substantial filter, unfortunately, in these units. So some dust does get through. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this face unit off, and that'll expose it to the fan area below, and we're going to clean the fan with a mini pressure washer. But before I do anything, we have to turn the power off on this unit, because you don't want to have any power at all. So let's go turn the power off first. So the next thing we're going to do is take the front panel or cover off, and I don't do this on a regular basis, so you have to bear with me here. There we go. There's the first one. And we can take the guide off. There's a pin in the center here we have to take off. Oh, pin went on the floor. And we take the guide off. I've got some dirt build up on there. You can see that. This is the pressure washer we're going to be using. It's a mini cleaner specifically made for cleaning these units. So what we have is we have the plastic shroud around the unit, and anything, the dirty water coming off that will be caught inside this and go down to the bucket at the bottom. Okay, so here we go. And hopefully you can see this. I'm going to clean the vanes on top first. These are the actual heat exchangers. And we just go ahead and pressure washer will clean those. They actually look clean, but it's deceiving. They probably have a lot of water on them. The water is not coming out of the bottom very much because these vanes are designed, when they drip, the water will go out the condensate line. So we're not seeing a lot of water coming out from the bottom into the plastic, because the condensate line is taking that water. And now we're going to go to the fan blade, which is not going to be trapping water from in the condensate line. And herein, you'll see some dirt starting to come out. Unbelievable chunks of dirt coming out. This is a partially disassembled wall unit, heat exchanger, also known as an evaporator. And if you look close, you'll see the tremendous amount of buildup of dirt. And this dirt is actually unseen in the air that we breathe. But it deposits on the fan blades and ultimately causes a reduced flow and decrease in the efficiency of the air conditioner. So this got past the filter. These are fine particles that built up and actually got past the filter that's built into the unit. So this is what we're cleaning today, is with a small mini pressure washer. Okay, we're going to get up real close here, and hopefully you can see this dirt coming out. So I'm going to get in real tight now, and that fan is spinning in there, and so all the water is hitting all the blades as it spins, and the dirt's flying out of there. You see big chunks of dirt coming off, but I'm going to go back and stay on it until no more dirt is flying off of that fan blade. And then I'll know that I've got that portion of the fan blade clean. You can't really see it because that blade is spinning so fast that you can't really tell. The only thing you can see is the dirt that falls out. It tells you that there's still some there. I just keep on going over it until there's no more dirt coming out, and I'm fairly confident that we've got it all. But that thing's spinning around real fast, and hopefully the water's getting in there, the spray, and loosening that dirt and taking it out. One way you can know that it needs cleaning is that it starts making a swooshing sound, and it's because the air doesn't have what's called laminar flow due to the dirt buildup. But if you have a wall unit that's making a swooshing sound, you'll know it's probably because it needs to be cleaned. Well, I think we've got just about all of it. I don't see any more dirt coming down, but quite an adventure to do this. A lot of setup. You cannot use a regular pressure washer for this. It'll blow it apart. So this unit is specifically made for cleaning these wall units. The pressure unit itself is almost $1,000. So it's quite an expensive operation, and most homeowners are not told about this situation. So I'm going to put it back together and get it back in operation now. Just to give you an idea how much dirt there is in that, I'm going to hold up part of the bag. That's the color of the water that we got out of this. All of that thick soot was in there. And the thing that's impressive to me is that it actually comes from the air we breathe inside a house, not outside. And we believe we have a pretty clean house, but it's invisible until it deposits. Well, we put the parts back together, the vane and the main cover, and I did clean the filters. So we'll put the filters back, as meager as they are. They really don't do a very good job. And it looks like we're ready for probably a year. This should be, in my opinion, probably an annual event that you need to look into and follow up on maintenance for your oil units. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.